Hey Blue Blossoms, welcome back to PCS Profiles. Today, the state we'll be talking about is Arizona.
I was actually stationed in Arizona for 7th and 8th grade.
Wow, really? Well, how was it like?
It was pretty hot and dry. It was a desert.
Oh, like a chocolate tamale.
Sure.
Intro sequence.
When people think of Arizona, they tend to picture the Grand Canyon, or as my 8th grade teacher at Fort Huachuca called it, that hole in the ground.
People also tend to associate the 48th state with cacti, tumbleweeds, cowboys, and
No daylight savings.
Daylight savings is stupid anyways.
Whoa.
But of course, Arizona is more than all that. So getting back on track,
Get ready to be schwacked with some abstract facts.
Arizona's state nickname is the Grand Canyon State, as it contains the Grand Canyon. The geography is largely desert, and the state symbol reflects that, as it is the saguaro cactus. The state motto is Ditat Deus, which translates in English to God enriches. The current population is 6.8 million, which at one point or another contained John McCain, Stevie Nicks, and Joe Jonas. Key industries include aerospace and defense, technology, and general manufacturing. Among other requirements, you can get a graduated learner's permit at the age of 15 and a half, graduated license at 16, and a full unrestricted license at 18 years of age.
Thanks, Henry.
for more on the state's history and culture, here's Catherine and Griffin.
Arizona first became a state on February 14, 1912. Its name comes from the word Alushanak, a Papago word meaning small spring.
Arizona has some rich history which contain the following. In 1821, the Mexican military gained control over Arizona territory.
A few years following in 1847, the Mexican-American War was conducted and resulted in Arizona becoming a U.S. territory. Crucial to Arizona's part in the copper era, copper was first mined in Ajo, Arizona in 1854.
Following Pearl Harbor in 1941, the Arizona Navajo code talkers greatly assisted the United States Marines by helping create indecipherable messages.
Arizona's culture is majorly influenced by Mexican and Spanish culture, primarily because of Mexico controlling the area for nearly 30 years.
Local foods in Arizona largely consist of Mexican cuisine. Some popular examples are burritos, tamales, and chimichangas.
Finally, some local and popular festivals are the Phoenix Film Festival, the Prescott Rodeo Festival, and the Winter Haven Festival of Lights.
Sure as hell here.
Why is it so hot?
Why is the thermostat so high?
You turned it up last episode.
Hey guys, why do you have the thermostat down so low? You want me to turn it up?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Oh no, you're right. Oh well, I'm gonna turn it back down all the way if that's okay.
Thank you, it's really hot.
Who's turning in the middle too? Oh. Speaking of hot, here's Arizona's scorching geography and climate with Madalena.
Arizona is located in the southwestern part of the U.S. and is one of the states that is part of the Four Corners. The Four Corners is a spot where 4 different corners of 4 different states, specifically Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona, meet. This would be an awesome place to visit if you're living in Arizona because you can stand in 4 different states at once. The climate in Arizona is arid or semi-arid due to its southern location. The temperature in Arizona is generally warm. Often the temperature does not drop below freezing, even in winter. Additionally, Arizona has a very low percent of precipitation, which leads to haboobs or dust storms due to the extreme dryness of the climate. In the northern part of Arizona, there's a Colorado Plateau, which consists mostly of valleys, gorges, mountains, and flatlands. In the southern parts, it is mostly flat desert. Some of the notable natural beauties of Arizona include the Grand Canyon, the Colorado River, Monument Valley, the Sonoran Desert, the Painted Desert, and the Black Mesa. Some of the major cities of Arizona are Phoenix, which is the capital, Tucson, Scottsdale, Mesa, and Chandler. This is a list of astounding and fun places to visit in Arizona. Lower Antelope Canyon, the Grand Canyon, Sampo Gallery, Lake Mead, Kingman, Horseshoe Bend, Arizona Copper Art Museum, the Meteor Crater Natural Landmark, the Wildlife World Zoo, Aquarium, and Safari Park, Mystery Castle, Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, Phoenix. Enjoy!
Man, Arizona sure does have a lot of places to go and sights to see.
Now it's time to talk about its installations.
Arizona has 5 major installations. Near the capital, Phoenix, is Luke Air Force Base, home of the largest Air Force fighter wing, and training facilities for fighter pilots. During World War II, it was the largest fighter training base in the Army Air Corps.
In the city of Tucson is Davis-Monthan Air Force Base, which operates the single busiest runway in the entire Air Force. It was also selected as the 2018 Best Air Force Base, and is home to the 355th Wing, which manages combat search and rescue training.
Down south, about 15 miles from the Mexican border, in the town of Sierra Vista, lies Fort Huachuca, which was constructed in 1877 as an outpost for soldiers to pursue Geronimo and Apache Indians. It's now home to the Intelligence Center for Excellence, where military intelligence officers are trained, and NETCOM, which leads the management of Army communication.
In the town of Yuma, in the southwestern corner of the state, there are 2 installations. Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, where Marine Corps aircraft are stored, and the Army's Yuma Proving Ground, where weapons are tested. Yuma Proving Ground is one of the largest military bases in the world in terms of land, and over 500,000 missile rounds are fired each year. And now the moment most of you have been waiting for.
Whether it's a heated passion,
Or if you're hot with anger,
it's school.
Arizona comes in 44th in national education ranking, but that doesn't mean you can't have a good time in AZ schools. The Arizona Interscholastic Association handles sports and extracurriculars, including badminton, baseball, basketball, cross country, football, golf, soccer, softball, swim and dive, tennis, track and field, volleyball for boys and girls, and finally wrestling. The AIA also oversees chess, JROTC, speech and debate, spirit line, and theater. For those who are into mountain biking, the Arizona Interscholastic Cycling League is a huge organization with large races around the state, including one on Fort Huachuca. Band geeks can also compete in the Arizona Marching Band Association, with indoor guard and percussion competitions run by Winter Guard AZ. Moving to Luke Air Force Base may mean attending Willow Canyon High School. At Willow Canyon, the arts are very important as there is a large emphasis on exploring art programs and opportunities. Also near Luke Air Force Base is Dysart High School. Dysart is a large high school with almost 1,600 students. Near Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, students can attend Cibola High School and Gila Ridge High School. Both schools have excellent athletic programs, and Cibola being 15th for athletics in the state, and Gila's cheer team finished 7th in the national last year. For Army brats at Yuma Proving Ground, the 2 closest are Yuma High School, home of the Criminals, and San Luis High School, home of the Sidewinders. Near Fort Huachuca is a very large White High School, which is often regarded as overcrowded and problematic, but with many opportunities in terms of athletics and arts. We've got several Bloom team members, aka me and many others, who either have gone to Buena or are going there currently. Some students choose to attend the slightly further and significantly smaller Tombstone High School, home of the Yellow Jackets. Davis-Monthan Air Force students can attend Palo Verde High School, a STEAM magnet school. Tucson also has lots of charter schools and specialized magnet schools, so if you're into a specific subject, you should totally look into one.
And now, our special guest for the top 5 segment of our episode.
Hi, my name's Katie. I've lived in Arizona for 16 years, and my favorite things about Arizona are the sunsets, the mountains, and monsoon season. I really like the sunsets here because of all the dust and the mountains. It makes the sky all like orange and pink and blue all at once. You can get super good pictures of them. I really like the mountains because my family and we like to go hiking there. And they actually have a lot of really nice places where you can go where the weather's a lot cooler. You get a little bit different like fauna geographically. And I really love monsoon season because normally in Arizona it's pretty dry. During monsoon season, everything turns green and there's rain almost every day, all the time. And it's really cool. So that's what I like about Arizona.
In conclusion, Arizona has a rich history with Native American influences and Latin American ties to this day.
It has multiple bases, school systems, and activities that contribute to the bustling state.
Its arid climate and well-known desert-like geography set it apart from other states in the region.
That's it for this episode.
Don't forget, if you have any info for future states or countries, send us an email at pcsprofiles@gmail.com. And what are you doing?
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and follow other Bloom-related content.
Okay, that's it.
I was trying to... Okay, I'm good. 1 second. Sorry.
Ladies ready?
Yes.
Dysart is a large high school with almost 16,000 students. Check this again. This is not 16,000, it's 1,600.
Hey, speaking of hot, like...
Speaking of hot,
I thought you were gonna say it.
Oh yeah, we kind of switched our lines.